Hi everyone, this is Sybil Solon, your skin fitness expert. I'm here today to talk about why we wash in the morning.
I never made it, but I know what it takes. I'm motivated by a mix of emotion.
So I know that washing in the morning can be difficult. We're like, oh my gosh, I'm racing around. It's morning. I don't have any time. Oh my God. But the reason why we wash in the morning is because at night, our skin has done a lot of heavy lifting. It does a lot of detoxification and cleaning while we sleep. So it's taken out a lot of trash. It does a lot of nighttime cleanup. And so in the morning, we need to make sure that we're washing our skin and with all the dirt and debris and the garbage that our lymphatic system has taken out and discarded, so that we can start our day healthy and clean and for our skin to be protected. So what we're doing for the day is we're washing our skin, and then we're putting on some kind of hopefully serum or moisturizer or both to help hold in the hydration and the moisture for the rest of the day, to protect it, to protect everything we're trying to keep healthy. So for daytime, it's all about protection. We're thinking about protection. We're thinking about SPF, we're thinking about hydration, we're thinking about keeping everything healthy and nice for the entirety of our day. So we're washing off the dirt and everything that was the garbage of our night, and we're keeping everything healthy for the rest of our day. And that is why in the morning, it's so incredibly important that we wash. Don't be lazy about your daytime routine. Make sure you're washing in the morning and applying your product. All right. This is Sybil Solon, your skin fitness expert, coming at you about daytime washing. All right. Bye-bye.